I personally love using Lysol wipes for cleaning in my home, so I went ahead and just got myself a 4-pack knowing I'll use all of it. The 4-pack comes with 2 lemon, 1 mango, and 1 linen scent. Each individual pack comes with 80 inside of them, so the pack of 4 is 320 wipes total. And so I'll go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. So this is one individual roll. As I mentioned, there's 80 inside of here. And when you open it, you can see it's just a series of wet wipes. This is what the inside looks like. They come in a wipe, and then you feed it through here and pull it out. So this is about the size of a wipe. And I'm going to show you, this is why I don't get other cleaning products. This is really great. I use it in my kitchen. I use it in my bathroom, pretty much everywhere in my home. I have not cleaned my kitchen counters yet, so you can see I have a stain right here. I'm pretty sure that's coffee. And just like that, it's gone. It's so easy to clean off your countertops, clean your sink, everything. And it also leaves your house smelling really good.